The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Sally, Tim, guys, very good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Dennis, Sam, guys, hope you all had a great 3-day weekend. I was out of the room, as you guys know, on Friday. I told you guys I was going to go do a little bit of fishing, and I did. Fishing was slow on Friday, and Saturday we fished for muskie in Virginia on the New River. I didn't see a fish. But after I left, the guys that I fished with, they went back out and did some fishing, and they actually hooked one and saw a second. Morning, Michael. So in any event, for me, it was kind of slow. Friday was slow. I did catch some trout on Friday, a couple of nice trout, but I'm a streamer junkie, guys. I throw streamers all day. So in any event, we're back at it. It is Monday. Just a reminder, Wednesday, the room will be closed. I want to reiterate that. My wife's back surgery, spine surgery is scheduled for Wednesday morning. I will not be here. I'll be in the hospital with my wife. So we'll be here Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Good morning, Wayne. Morning, Rich. I appreciate your prayers and emails and kind words, fellas. Some of you guys traded on your own on Friday. Some of you had some decent results, others not so decent. That's okay. We're back at it today. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. For some of you, Martin, good morning. For some of you, welcome back. We've got a number of you guys that are completing your trials, which began last week in what was a very short week, as Monday was a federal holiday. And then, of course, I was out on Friday. I rarely take time off, but for those of you guys that are members, the members know that I'm kind of a fishing junkie. And I figured I would take Friday and Saturday and fish, as I won't be able to do any fishing for quite some time while my wife recovers from spine surgery. So we have a group that are completing their trials this week. And then we have 3 of you, I believe, that are good morning, Deepak. And then we have 3 folks that are starting with us today for the week. So good morning to you all. If you're here on trial, of course, good morning to my members. And what I will do is for the benefit of both the trials that are completing from last week as well as my new trials, I'll give you a brief overview. All right. So first thing I do every morning when we come in is I show the bots and where they're at. For those of you that are starting this week, the bots that I run are the ES, crude, NASDAQ, YM, and natural gas. Each of those bots begin trading at 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 a.m. Eastern. Okay? They are done trading at 11 when I generally end the room. The reason I end them at 11 is not because you can't trade them after 11, but it's because I want to send you guys on your way with a total. So for transparency reasons, I shut them off at 11. I send out a follow-up email Monday through Thursday to the trials with the daily room video. So this session, as every session is being recorded. I will send you out an individual breakdown of each of the bots, both on a daily and a weekly basis, as well as what the bots did last week, so you can kind of compare this week to last week. The room video is unedited, so if you want to go back and see bot trades, you're going to kind of have to sift through, what could be a 2 or a 3 hour video. But I do send the video. It's also posted to YouTube and Vimeo each and every session. So the first thing I'll do is I'll start out with, good morning, Steve. Yeah, there was no big catch, man. There was no big catch. There was some fish, but no big catch. The ES bot is currently up $475. I believe it's taken 2 trades. It did. The ES bot took this short here. Got targets. and then it took this long here and has target. So the ES spot is up 475. Crude has not taken a trade yet, is continuing to grind higher. There has been no trade yet on crude. NASDAQ is chopping itself up a little bit early on this morning. It took a short for a win here. So we got a winning short here, a failed long, a failed short, another failed long, and then another long which went to targets. The NASDAQ bot is currently down $830. YM has had one trade. YM is up $250. And last but not least, natural gas was up 150 and has now gotten two targets on this trade. So natural gas had this trade here. Not sure how it was only up 150. Yeah, it didn't get second target. That's how. So it got first target, break even, and then got taken out here at 739. It is currently in this long with stop now at break even plus one tick. So it was up 150, would be 310, 410, 720 bucks, give or take, pending the completion of this trade. Another 55 ticks or a break even plus one. So overall, the bots are up nicely, with the NASDAQ being the lone negative bot at the moment. It's been a slow morning. I mean, at one point, futures were dead flat. Today is an important day, in my opinion, for the markets. I'll show you guys charts momentarily, but we are on the cusp of breaking out above that long-term trend line. Actually, we closed above it. It could be a stop hunt here and then a failure back below. I don't know. It's failed every single time when it's hit this trend line, but it is, in my opinion, I think today is kind of a make or break. We do have some 200 companies reporting earnings this week. Microsoft will be tomorrow. That's the big one starting for us. Morning, Frank. The second aspect, if you're here on trial, is going to be order flow. I trade and teach order flow. I will be offering a number of order flow trades today, primarily in the NASDAQ, to a lesser degree, NASDAQ and ES, with a lesser degree in crude, gold, and natural gas. Frank, it's actually this Wednesday. Frank K, it's Wednesday. Lastly, I do offer option trades. If you guys are option traders, I will suggest some option trades. They are 99% of the time are going to be SPX, SPY, triple Qs, or ES options. Okay? So I suspect or expect for you guys that are on trial, especially the three of you that are starting today, that the first day or two may be a little confusing because there's a lot going on. So currently, the only bot trade that's on is this natural gas, which looks like it may come back and take out this runner. I do not leave the bot trades on the screen because they interfere and conflict with my order flow trades. So whenever the bot fires a trade, I will tell you, natural gas or whatever went long or went short, and I will move the bot over and show you guys the trade. Order flow trades will be the majority of what we do. We currently have about 53 people in a specific group attempting to get a funded account. We do have, I'll show you guys where we're at. We do have a number. Let's see here. So far we have This is when we started, was last week. So we started last week. These are totals. I track the daily totals. Today is the 23rd. So we'll go from there. Frank we've got one guy that's funded already. 2 people that have funded. 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 in the group that have already funded accounts. So if you folks are here on trial and you're interested in obtaining or attempting to obtain a funded account, that is one thing, one aspect, or one area that we excel in. And we will continue to work on those funded accounts today. We have a $400 to $500 daily goal per funded account. Good morning, Ryan. If you guys that are here on trial have any questions, please feel free to ask. You have the ability to send me a question. While you guys cannot see the chat, I do. If it's a question that pertains to the room, I'll repeat the question. This is for anybody. And then I will, of course, answer that question. If it's just general chit chat, like members are asking how my fishing was over the weekend, I may respond to that, but I'm not going to repeat those questions. And it looks like natural gas may get this last target. So we'll see what we get here. In any event, guys, good morning. We're back at it. No, so with Apex, when you need to trade 7 days. So let's say you get funded on the 3rd day. You still have to trade a total of 7 days in that account. It does not have to be 7 days in a row. So for instance, I got a funded account the other day. My 7th day would have been Friday. I wasn't here to trade Friday, so I've done that trade already in that account. That's my 7th day. It does not have to be consecutive. Yes, it's 7 days. All right. So the next order of business, for those of you folks that are here on trial, is I read a daily disclaimer. Yeah, you can do, if you have a funded account, which is what I did this morning, which was my 7th day. Since I've been funded, I've been doing 1 MNQ, buy, sell. That's it. Buy it, close it. So next thing I'll do is read government required disclaimer, which I'm not required to read, just show, but I do read it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Ranges are fairly tight, but we should come back to 05 and then 02. Here is natural gas. Let's see here. There's target one on natural gas. Let's see if we can come down and get another target. And out on natural gas. All right. Just mocking up some charts here, guys. That's all. Anybody took that short, you got target one at 10. This is where I should have been long. Guys, I had a little red in. Starting to get some overhead resistance on the small time frames. All right. Thank you, James. I appreciate that. Our surgery is Wednesday, fellas. As a reminder, the room will be closed on Wednesday. I will obviously not be here. Guys, also, for those of you that may be interested in purchasing any Apex accounts, I believe today is the last day of the 80% off sale. No, this is the surgery. It was not rescheduled. This is the surgery. No, thank you, Steve. No, I took Friday off to fish, as I will be unable to fish for a while. I would actually try along on the NASDAQ if you guys want at 700. I don't know if it gets those targets. Oh, God. Natural gas is long again on the bot. Hey, Barry, let's see. Yes, if you send me an email, Barry. So we got two bot trades on, guys. Natural gas again. And NASDAQ. I like the 700 long. I'm pending 700 and a quarter, 700.25 long on NASDAQ. Okay, I'm long. NASDAQ. There's target one on the bot. So I'm long an Apex out on the runner. I'm long on an Apex account at 700 and a quarter. And this has resistance now at 0.2 half. I'm going to kill this trade momentarily if it doesn't bounce. Small sellers in here. All right, guys, I'm on the close. First target, I'm out. I'm out on NASDAQ. I closed it. It's now going to probably work down to, it may bounce here, but it's going to bounce to 02 again. Small loss. Okay, Tom. Here we go, guys. On natural gas, target 1 has been hit. Go ahead and change it, Tom. I mean, Tom, there's no right or wrong, right? I give you guys a blueprint, and then you guys make your own determination. Slow both days, Ricky. There's that 02 again. Could make it back to 09. 06 is going to be resistance. Would have had targets if I'd stayed with that trade, fellas. There's target 2 on natural gas. Come on, go get that third target. Again, guys, if you're here on trial and have any questions, please feel free to ask. Wasn't watching gold, but gold had a reversal. NASDAQ will probably work back down to 94. If anybody wants to try a, man, I try to stay away from that stuff, Mimi. Natural gas is just too, for me. I mean, I'll trade natural gas because I can trade it on small, you know, hit and miss kind of thing. But UNG calls for when? ES doesn't really want to give up this 700 area. If it does, it's going to break down to NASDAQ, 92.25. Yeah, we're getting cold here too. We have cold weather in the forecast. No bot trades, fellas. Other than natural gas. Nothing on the ES. Crude is yet to take a trade today. NASDAQ's going to have to come down below 94 if we're going to visit VWAP. Plenty of support right here. So they're buying February. They're buying the front month, selling the back month. Not much movement here today, guys, yet. Natural gas looks like it can get that last target. There it is, all three targets. Natural gas spot, guys, is now up 1680. 1680 natural gas. 84.75. Next level. Small sellers, fellas. ES got to 4,000 and faded. Funded trader, first funded account of the day. Kaled, I'll start writing them down again, guys. All right, guys. Small sellers, small buyers. Small resistance at 92, and then target would be 97. There it is, 92. Not quite to 97 yet. There it is, 97. You got to pay attention, guys, in the open because it's fast as hell. All right, NASDAQ's long on NASDAQ's. Both targets hit on NASDAQ bot. Told you 85 on the pullback. If you guys, it's quick, guys, on the first 10, 15 minutes. Anybody grab 85? $20 is 240-minute resistance, right where we're at. But we have big buyers in here. It will probably push through. Next target up. If we get above 30, 32, we probably trade. All right, nice job. All right, so 04 now support. And then below that, 97.50. ES filled a trade on the bot. It is short. Big 5-minute opening, a big 5-minute range so far. We're longs, guys, all time frames. We're longs. There's target 1 on the ES bot. Come on, give me another candle. Another long on NASDAQ. Not a good fill. Yeah, it was. It filled back here. Second signal here. Target filled. Out. One target. Come on, give me another candle. Guys, these first couple of 5-minute candles are enormous. We're going up, though. If you're trading a cash account, we're longs. If you're trading funded accounts, NASDAQ, be careful because it's these 5-minute candles, opening 2 candles are huge. You can try a 25 short with a 30 stop if it gets there. Support here at 08 half. 08 half has support. And we pushed through it already. Never mind. Minute to the next candle. Canceled 08 half. 25 short with a 30 stop. There's the short. And out. Out. Went to 32. Above this, we could break into the weekly high. Nice job, Philip. Look at this thing's going to break out. All buyers, guys. All buyers. Almost 2,000 net buyers. No bot trades to show. Target now is that weekly high, which is 1760. Support on the pullback is 22. ES not doing a damn thing. Snack cute and cute show. So I said if you guys are trading cash accounts, it's long. God dang, it's NASDAQ. All right, guys. 23 on a pullback. If it pulls back to 23, it's 10 handles. So far, no pullback. Got a second trader with funded accounts. Philip, 4 funded today. Q's headed into last week's high. SPY's headed to 97.76, and then probably 99.50. 400 on SPYs is huge. SPX trying to get to 4,006. SPX has resistance at 39.90. Next 5-minute bar, not for a minute and a half. NASDAQ gets above that weekly swing at 760, it's going to be a monster. Come on, pull back. ES is doing absolutely nothing. ES is just a waste of time. NASDAQ has some support at 31, 35. There's some support, 35. Yeah, and a pull back to 23, I would. It's all buyers, guys. 2,300 net buyers. Here we go again. Small buyers in here. They are buying the hell out of the NASDAQ. New day high. 60 is last week's swing high. 60 is last week's swing high. Christ, I hate this stuff, guys. 37 on a pullback. ES, it got to get above 4,000. You can take ES long at 02 with an 09 target 1 if it gets there. Crude's flat. Gold is selling. Tried, yeah. 37.50, 38 area. 37 half. NASDAQ now. Man, oh man, oh man. Not even a pullback, guys. We break out above 60 and it's just broke last week's swing high. ES is an 02 long. O2 long on the ES. Target is 089. ES is breaking out now. Call it 08 on ES. If you took 02, you have 4 handles in it. We're at 3 standard deviations, guys. I mean, we're a mile up. 08 target on ES, guys. We're having a hard time here at 7, 6.5. Come on, ES, go get 08. Come on, let's go ES. There goes NASDAQ again. God dang. It's just crazy. Here comes 08. Okay, out at 6 on ES. I agree, Doug. No question. No question. But I had to get above ES 4000. And it should make 8. If it can get above 810, it's going to 20 on ES. ES is pushing through that new candle. Come on, get that high right here at 6.25. Come on, ES. $4,000 buyers in the NASDAQ, guys. 4,000. Back to the high on the ES, new day high ES. Trying to get 08, guys. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Dos más. 2 more tick. Oh, 1 more tick. Come on, get it. Got it. Got it. Target hit on ES. Next level up is going to be 20. We're pushing the 200-day moving average here on ES. Let me look at crude, which seems to be getting a bid. Crude's into resistance at 30. If we get above 30, we got to get above 33. Crude can go back to 45. Support crude is 19. Pushing some resistance here, but above that 30. So a 35 with a 45 target. Nice job, Keith. Freaking NASDAQ. Holy shnikes, man. There's no way I'm buying this, guys. No way in hell. I'll buy the pullback on the NASDAQ at 83. Carl funded 1. Kieran funded 1. Guys, don't forget to tell me when you send me your daily totals if you funded accounts today. Each day. No bot trades because we're straight up trend. Huge buying, guys, huge. Anybody holding ES still? Your target is now 20. We're pushing through the 200-day. Target is 20. Okay, Marcia, holding NASDAQ. Nice job, Mark. Have I told you guys how much I hate trend days? CL triggered. Target on crude is 44.45. Target 1. Oh, crude spike to 43. There it is. Target hit and filled on crude. Hit and filled on crude. Next, if you're holding crude, it's got to get now through 54, 55. It just did. Jeez. They're buying everything in sight, guys. Complete risk on. NASDAQ's currently up 132, ES up 21, YM is up 56, kind of the laggard. EMD and Russell up, gold up, down $7, silver off a shard, crude up 88 cents, natural gas up 32 cents, Tesla's up $5.50, Qualcomm's up $6, Nvidia's up $6, AMD's up $5. LRCX up $13. I mean, this is just insane, dude. This is crazy. If this is a stop run above the, I mean, this is just, you can try now in 806 long if we can get a goddamn pullback. Just unbelievable. Seriously unbelievable. I'm sorry, 807. 807. What's the news today on a Monday? Generally, there's no news on a Monday. What's the news? Consumer confidence. I mean, let me just see where the hell we're going. God damn. NASDAQ looks like we're going to get 890 on the hourlies. 890. I mean, this is a parabolic. Here comes that 807. Parabolic move. Parabolic move. Missed me at 07 by 1 tick. Maybe 2. All right. Filled at 807. Come on. Hold that 5-minute support. Let's go. This could now pull back to 82. We're not holding any support right now on pullbacks. I have a bot trade, YM short. All right, guys, we're holding 800. Nope. Out. Close. God damn it. There's no shorts. Back to 803. Now we're coming back through 807. We've got to get back up through 807. Now we're just chopping around, guys. Here's YM on the bot. I don't think this is a false breakout, Mimi. This is not a fake breakout. We're just, yeah, there's no shorts here, Doug. Yet I don't have shorts. Not on any time frame. Any time frame. I mean, not even on a 2 minute. We could come down to 82. I don't have anything until we get past news. Three-tenths lower than expected, leading index. We're going up to 30. So we just flipped into a long. Come on, NASDAQ. We're back above 07. Jeez, got target one here on the bot. Okay, both targets hit. Jesus. Told you that 07. It just pulled back further than we would have liked. God dang it, man. All right, I'm back to even on this account. Now we may get a small, you still have to short below 800. 500 buyers just came in, guys. Yeah, I see it, Mimi. I see it. All I can tell you is this is so far. All I can tell you is this is so far just a straight trend, which I hate trend days. I mean, on trend days, I have to buy small pullbacks. This is just a stinking beast. I can't buy anything up here. It's just not happening. Crude got all targets. Doug, I agree. That's why I hate trend days. They're the hardest. They're the hardest thing in the world to end. I mean, to trade. Where does that trend end and we get the pullback? On trend days, I like to buy 5-minute pullbacks. This is the opening range high right here, 21, 21 and change. I'm not buying the opening range high. 677 is the opening range low. I mean, that's the range today. All right, guys, let me just go to a 60-minute chart. Bear with me 1 second. I got to do all kinds of 60-minute support is at 02. I'll buy 02 on a pullback. We've eclipsed the weekly high, and then I don't have any hourly support until we get all the way down to 97. I'll buy 02. Pending 02 on the NASDAQ. A little bit of support at 7. We have a bot trade again, YM, but I don't like it. Here comes that hourly support if we can get down below 07. You could buy some at 07 and add in at 02. Here comes 02. Long 02. And look, this is why I hate freaking trend days, fellas. We're not holding, we didn't hold hourly support. Come on, get back above 02. Let's go. Target 1 on the bot here, break even plus 1 on the YM. This looks like we could get a deeper pullback. Both targets hit on YM. Crude is now short on the bot. All right, come on, let's go. Here we go, back up. Nope. Need to get above 04. 04. Below 95, you said? There we go, back up. Come on, get back above that entry. Oh, you dog. Small sellers, they're getting absorbed. We had 800 sellers in the previous 3-minute bar. We have smaller sellers now, and they're getting bought up. This is what's got to go right here. 04. Back above entry or 2 entry. Come on, get above 04 and go. Longest trade in history to try to get to target. Good God. There we go. Come on, pop it here. ES is holding. Here comes target. Trying to get the target, guys. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Nope. Jesus Christmas, man. If the 3-minute breaks above quarter, we're headed to 17. That 4 quarter. It's not going, guys. Try twice. 87 is support also. Let's trying again. Next 5-minute bar in 15 seconds. Trying again. Ton of sellers, but they're getting bought. Come on, go get me 07 target, will you please, for crying out loud? Here it comes. Nope, still didn't get it. Unbelievable, man. Seriously, unfreaking believable. Just missed it by 2 ticks. Come on, one more 30 range target or candle and we get it. There it is. Push. Got it. God almighty. That was the hardest freaking trade ever. You guys hold? Here we go. Upski. Telling you, I'm not looking for shorts. Not looking for shorts, guys. Did you guys hold? Got target. That was a pain in the keister. That was a long trade. No joke. I mean, back to the high of the day is what it looks like. If they decide to sell them off, at some point they'll retrace these things. It'll be a nice retracement. Back up to the high of the day. Back to 4,200 net buyers. Come on. Got first target. I said I'd be happy. Happier if it gets second target. Got them both. Down $140 now. ES, I'm going to pend 20 short, guys. I don't know if it gets there, but I'm pending a 20 short. Take a look at ES on the hourlies. No, this can go to 27. Cancel that ES. Cancel the ES. Lower highs in the last couple of candles. Just took out the previous 5-minute high resistance at 29.5, or it's trying to. There it is, above, and another breakout. Holy shnikes. We should pull back into support now at 15. That's the first. Yeah, it looks heavy to me too, but you see the buyers? Still all buyers. I'm not ready to short this. I have to keep buying pullbacks. Crude looks like it's going to break out again above 82.11. Man, I hate trend days. Just hate them. Another day high coming. Guys, this thing is, this is just really silly. 890 today on the hourlies. 890. They are tearing up stops. Tearing them up. Here's your 20 on ES. This may give you a small trade. I'm not shorting it. NASDAQ is dragging everything with it. 897, guys, is target on NASDAQ. I don't know why. Maybe. I don't know why tomorrow would be any different. Friday and today have just been massive up moves. Anybody who's short is getting completely annihilated. They are just getting annihilated. Natural gas, guys, if it breaks down here, short natural gas, if you guys trade natural gas looks like it's going to break down below this 64, maybe 62. Can't trade this stuff, guys. This is not tradable. This is just a ride to 900. ES 27, maybe. Yeah, 64, 364. Freaking boring trade, guys. This is the first day that I haven't been able to trade multiple accounts. Support now is 50 and a quarter if you guys want to try a shallow pullback. 50 and a quarter. I'm long 50 and a quarter. Got a little slippage on it. And somehow have four contracts on. Come on, go, you rat bag. Need to push up through 52.50. Right there. Well, it gave me the trade. Come on. Small sellers in here, 40 sellers. All right, got that first chunk off. Now let's see if I can get final target. And that should, oh, that wasn't what I wanted to do. All right, this account's up 420. So it's in the, and there goes the move. This account's up 420. New day high. Buying 5-minute pullbacks. That's all I can do. New day high. Let me change accounts, guys. That's within the, range, 400 to 500 per account, right? Next account. I got to change them all, so sit tight. All right. Fresh account. All right, so I'm filled. I have not had one bounce directly to target yet. Not one. Not one. Come on, prove me wrong. Look at this dingleberry. 4 ticks to target. Got it. Target 1 hit. Target 2 hit. There you go, guys. That's our first bounce directly to target. You guys good? Fellas? Nice job, Paul. You guys good? Okay. Nice job, James. Nice job, Ryan. Targets hit, done for the day. Good job. 30 seconds. We have a bot trade on the NASDAQ short, and crude is moving toward target on the bot. 76. We need 7 ticks here, guys. Yeah, this is not a good. Come on. Come get target. There we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Push a little more. Little moss. I'm going to try that. I'm going to try a 50 long. 50 quarter. Nope. Got the 52 quarter. 50 quarter in the previous. We're sideways here. Sellers have tried several times and they're just getting wiped out. Small resistance right here at 60. I'm not taking any longs up here, guys, on the bot. I put it at shorts only. I'll let it take shorts at this point. $15-minute support is 50 half. Right where target 1 is. I moved to 57.5 on an entry. I don't know what makes you say that, Mimi. I mean, maybe, but I wouldn't even begin to speculate on pullbacks. All right. Target one filled on the bot. I am long. And I don't want this. Both targets hit on the bot, on the NASDAQ bot. Par for the course. We're bleeding through support. This is about as low as I want to go, is 45. A couple hundred sellers in here, and this looks like this could be the start of a pullback. It's got to bounce right where it is. Nope. All right, I'm going to add in 2 here. I added 2. That was the bottom of the zone. Come on, give me that target. Got it. That was the bottom of the buy zone. Come on, buyers. No buyers, all sellers. Come on, push up, baby. All right, I'm out. This account's at plus 510. This account's done. That's 2 accounts done. Goal in on 2 accounts. Anybody add into that trade? I'm trading in full view, guys. Anybody add into that trade? Nobody. Okay. See, so again, that's the difference between a winning trade and a losing trade. You cut it right at the bottom of support. There, I told you there's a support zone there. It's a zone. It's not, a specific exact number. Now, last week we were getting exact numbers. I mean, almost exact numbers with no heat or no very little bleed through our entries. Today we're getting, pullbacks. There's zones. So even if you'd have stayed with the original trade, you'd have gotten targets. All right, so let me change accounts again. Hang on, guys. Okay. Back to 0. New account. We're holding 15-minute support here. I mean, in my opinion, we're getting pretty close to a pullback, but they're going to want to make Europe uncomfortable, I would think. Trading into resistance here, small 5-minute resistance at 60, and then there's a zone that goes up through 64. Really, it's a sell zone between 60 and the high of the day at 66. I am not selling it, just so we're clear. I am not taking a short. I would be on the screen if I were. I do not trust shorts. There are no sellers. And a new day high. Blah, boom. Jeez. Microsoft really blows it. It looks like NASDAQ wants the 200-day moving average, which is at 12,228. And then these rat bastards will get everybody in long and then pull it back. I mean, they got everybody that was short. Anybody have any questions? Trial members? Any questions? Not a great day for bots. It's a trend day. Yeah, I'm looking for more trades too, dude. I want more trades. At least I got two accounts to goal. There's a bot trade on crude oil. It reversed. Crude is now reversed into a long. All right, NASDAQ, you're gonna be a double douche. She's a double deuce. I mean, she's way up there. She's up 200, double deuce. ES up 40. YM caught up 235. EMD and Russell up 20 and 16 respectively. Gold's now down $5. Netflix up $13 on the day. What in the holy hell is going on here? PayPal's off 3 cents. Baba's down 2 cents. Amazon's off 12 cents. I don't see much red. $33 is next target on ES. And to think I took it off at 08 from 02. You guys want to try a natural gas short? Natural gas is breaking down. I'm going to short natural gas, guys. I just shorted natural gas. 68. Spiked down to 54 and bounced. It should make on the hourly 45. Typical natural gas. I'm killing natural gas. 6 buyers came in. Seriously, 6 buyers. All right, guys. NASDAQ may roll over. Now down to 3 buyers. NASDAQ, guys, could pull back to 60. I'm out of gas. Out of gas. Fucking natural gas, man. I hate natural gas. NASDAQ's going to go again. I mean, just unbelievable. Crude's breaking out. See you tomorrow, Stuart. Crude on the bots almost to target 1. NASDAQ's, there it is, target 1 hit and filled on the bot. Stop is break even +1 on crude. Next target is 5.9. NASDAQ has support 72. Yeah, let me look at SPY. 99.94. It's got to get above 400.23. And you're going to see an epic, I think, epic rip. If it doesn't fail here, it's four minutes to the top of the hour, guys. Doesn't look like we're going to get any bot trade on YM or ES before the 11 o'clock close. All right, NASDAQ, what are you going to do here? 72 is support. Next level down for support is 60 on NASDAQ. I'm going to try a 71 quarter long NASDAQ. Nah, 71 quarter. It's a dangerous little long because we could dump to 63, but that's, no, not even going to get it. We're going up again. Golly. It's been a long time since we've seen a ripper like this. Long to 97. I've been saying it most of the morning. It's what it looks like we're going to get. 98. Guys, for those of you that are on trial and for my members that know, at 11 a.m., I'll go over your bot totals. What are you going to do, Mimi? What are you going to do? Who saw this coming? I wasn't here Friday to see it, but who saw this coming? I'll try this again at 71. I'll try it again at 71. 70. I'm long 70. See if I can get the bounce here to back to 75. Come on, dog. doesn't look like it. Top of the hour coming, guys, in 8 seconds. So come on, let's go, Stinkaroo. Target 1 filled. Let's go. Come on, baby. Fire it up. Come on. Fire it up. Little Moss. Top of the hour, Zipperoonie. Both targets filled. That's 11:30, dude. Not 11. 30 minutes to that. I got targets anyways. Done. You got to be, I mean, at this point, you would have to be half-baked to want to, hey, Hubba, how's your headache? You'd have to be half-baked moron to be trying to short this right now. They're just using, I mean, they're killing people. All right, guys, bot totals. ES finished up 587.50. NASDAQ finished up a whopping 140. At least it's green. It was down most, down when we came in. It's green. YM up 275. Natural gas 1680. And last but not least, crude. I won't have a total, guys, until this either hits second target or the trailing stop at break even +1. All right. So for my trials, when I send you your final email, obviously you'll have a final total. You have totals, final totals. I mean, right now we're at 587, 687, 720, 720, 9, call it 1,000. We're up about $2,700 pending the completion of this crude trade overall on the bots. Okay? Anybody have any questions? Now's the time. Any questions, fellas? You're welcome, Albert. All right, guys. So I was able to trade today 3 accounts. I had been trading 5 and 6 a day. I traded 3 today. One up 420, one up 510, and now this one, which is up 90 and still going, guys. Unstinking real. I mean, really, this is just an incredible move. Incredible. Anybody have any questions? For those of you guys that are in order flow, I'll see you in 45 minutes or so. For those of you that are with me in the 1 o'clock group, I'll see you guys in 2 hours. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to email me. Trial members, those of you that joined me today for the first day, thank you for your time. I appreciate it. For those of you that are in from last week, I appreciate your time as well. I will be sending all of you out a follow-up email at some point today. Okay?